Alright, so welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually connect your DStv Zapper decoder to two TV set using the AV port. So I'm talking about this decoder. So this is the DStv Zapper decoder. We have the Explorer decoder as well, which is the bigger type, and I'm talking about this decoder. This is the Explorer decoder. So this is the bigger version of the DStv decoder. So in this tutorial we're going to focus on the Zapper HD decoder. So with the Zapper decoder we have some port at the back here which you're going to use it for your connection. So as you can see, we have the LNB port over here, we have the USB port, the HDMI port, and the AV plus the power port, which you're going to connect to your 12 volt adapter cable to power the decoder. So to actually split the video signal using the AV port, if you are using an old TV or you want to split the signal through the AV port, you don't have any other option but to split the signal through the AV port. Watch the video till the end. So the typical Zapper AD doesn't comes, the AV output doesn't come as this. It's not being made in this form, which the video and audio port have been separated, which if you are to split it, it's gonna be easier for you. So here it's been made as a stereo to phono out or stereo to AV out port. So all you have to do is to find a way just to spread the signal using the same port. So this port in the box, it comes with this cable. So you want to find this cable in the box for you to do your connection. So with this kind of cable, you can use the same cable just to spread the signal to two or more TVs. So all you got to do is to change this AV cable, phono to AV out cable, and then you look for phono to AV out connector, the same kind of cable, but this cable will be receiving or giving out the signal. So you can use it to receive the signal and at the same time use it to give out the signal to a different device. So all you got to do is to connect it into your AV port at the back of your Zapper HD decoder. And after that, you are not done. Since this port, you are to connect only one device into it. We have the yellow for the video signal and then the red and white for the audio. So you are possibly to connect only one device onto the port. So if you are to connect, this how it should be, which means it's going to go to only one device. So in this case, you need to find a way to spread the signal once again, and you will need an AV splitter. So this is an AV splitter. You can get some from any electronic shop if it's available, or you can get some from online shops. So you buy 3 of this and you insert it in the AV outputs over here, one for the yellow port, one for the red port, and one for the white port. And if you're going to only extract the video signal, you can ignore these 2 options and then use only the yellow option just for the video signal. Maybe you have the audio being connected to a sound system, so you don't have to worry about the audio signal splitting. All right, so you connect it over here. So from the AV phono to AV out to the AV splitter, and here is where you need to connect the cables from the various TV. So this one TV. So this is the cable from one TV, and all you got to do is to connect it over here, yellow over here, and another cable from another TV. You connect the yellow in the same port since you are sharing the signal. You connect the white in the white port. So white here, and then white of the other cable to here, and then you connect the red over here. The red and white are the audio signal, so be mindful of it, and the yellow is the video signal. So now all you got to do is to power your decoder to check if your connection is gonna work right there for you. So you plug in your adapter cable, the 12-volt adapter cable, and you connect, and then you power on your decoder just to check. So as you can see, it's working right there. That's the decoder booting right there for you. So you wait for it to boot. So that's it. All you need for this kind of connection is an AV output, or AV to phono, stereo to phono output, and then an AV splitter to do your connection, and you are good to go. So you can use this same method on any FTA decoder that have those kind of ports, AV port on it, and you are good to go. So that's it. If this video has been helpful and you are new here, all you got to do is to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and you keep coming back for more. If you are an old subscriber to you, all you have to do is to like, share, and you keep coming back for more. Thanks for watching. Bless up.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town.